Wolf, what up, what up? I don't know why this isn't popping up horizontally, but it's not even showing up on my dashboard. What in the world? It's not showing up on my dashboard. How is this live stream happening, but it's not on my dashboard? How? How? It doesn't make any sense. All right. Well, we got this. How is this live stream happening? Very weird. Very weird. But we're live, so I'll just let this be for today. Dashboard ain't working for me. Or I should say YouTube Studio is not showing this as a live stream. So oh gosh, that's gonna just let this. Yeah, man, what up? What up? There you go. Okay. I think we're good. I think we're good. Now, how do we get the horizontal stream going? Dude, gold is making moves, yo. All right, let me get the poll up. All right, so I got a notification. This should be horizontal stream. Nice. Oh, you know what though? The problem is that it's two separate streams. Oh, that's what I was trying to fix. It's all right. It's whatever. Was trying to short gold this morning. That's why I lost $915, and it's happening now. There you go. Bullish. What's up? What's up? Top of the morning to you. Bro, gold. I was trying to short gold this morning. That's why I had the 915 loss. And would you look at that? Would you just look at it? It's beautifully falling. Big MG Fitness, what up? What up? Good morning. Good morning. I just got to get this pushed over to Discord. I put the Discord invite in the Discord. That's not going to work. Guys, I promise you, this year I'm gonna do my best to be better at a stream. Be better at streaming, because it's part of the biz. It's part of the business. Supposed to do payroll this morning, but I had to charge a Tesla, so it's a busy morning. I already can tell. So I'm gonna try slowing things down and just being present. If you haven't had a chance to see the new video that we've got a payout coming, I'm super thankful for that, and I'm pumped to get that payout. I still have those funded accounts, obviously. I've not traded them. We're at $2,000 balance on 2 accounts, so we are definitely going to take it slow. How are they not connected right now? Hold up. That's weird. I don't know why the trade copier wasn't on. All right, so we're just chilling. I found out yesterday that I struggle when the market is in a move. I'm best at trading consolidation. Nice. You know what? That's awesome. The fact that you can call that out for yourself means you're further ahead than most. Hi, how to live with your screen. Live with your screen. What's up, Green? I don't know what you mean by that. And let's get those algorithm juices flowing. Can we tap that like button? Can we give the stream some hearts? It Gen X, what's up, bro? I'm sorry, guys. For whatever reason, I can't connect the horizontal stream with the vertical, but I got the horizontal stream on my phone in front of me, so we should be good. But if we can gently tap the like button. It's very fragile this morning. You don't want to break it. Just gently tap it. We'll get the likes going. Let's go. Oh boy, I'm not gonna lie, guys. It is busy, in the sense that I think I put too much on my plate. I end up putting a lot on my plate outside of trading. I was here yesterday on phone calls for commercial solar for hotels in Chicago, Illinois, for about an hour or so. Busy. Life is busy. I'd rather it be busy than have nothing to do, but I will say being busy is not always the best for trading. I will say that. I need some better headspace, to be honest. But let's check out the news here. January 2nd, 2026. This is the first day of the new year for the stream. So Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to everybody watching. Let's have a profitable year. I'm super excited. So January 2nd, we have no red folder news for us. So we're balance sheet in 7 hours and 53 minutes. Sheesh. So we are green, clear skies. Clear skies to continue. What I'm trying to live stream, but I don't know how. Oh, you're trying to live stream. I would suggest using OBS. OBS is a free software, and that's how you live stream based on whatever Macintosh or Mac or Windows. You can use OBS. Yo, what in the... There you go. So I did the math last night on my TopStep dashboard on how much I spent on evals last year. Type in the chat right now how much you think I spent on evals. In total, I have about 7,000 in payouts with TopStep last year. But how much do you think I spent in evals is the question. Hit me with your best shot. Okay, thanks. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries, Green. Gen X, so far it's profitable finally. I feel alive again. I'm new trading. I'm never trading during December ever again. I feel you, bro. I feel you. I mean, December wasn't too bad for me when we passed the accounts and then we got a payout, but sometimes that weird choppy volatility or volume isn't for everybody. $760, bro. I wish I only spent $760 on evals, man. I wish I spent way more than that. Gen X 1500. I wish. Guys, I spent $3,000. $3,000 on evals. That includes the activation fees with TopStep. So yes, I'm profitable essentially with TopStep, but you know, I wanted to be transparent with that because it's not what you think. And even some of the streamers that I know that make huge payouts with TopStep, we don't know how much they spent on evals, you know. So I wanted to tell you guys in reality, like, how much did I spend? About 3,100 and something and some change, and have it payouts totaling 7,000 and some change. So I'm around a 50% profitable. I'm about 50% profitable with TopStep. TPT, I broke even. Take Profit Trader. And then I did not trade Apex last year. Not that I remember. Yeah, I don't think I traded Apex last year. So yeah, take that with a grain of salt, but I wanted to be honest and tell you guys what that's like. And I'm just like you guys, man. Like this 3,000, that's less than I spent on Fortnite. Wolf is, you're a Fortnite monster, bro. If you spent more than $3,000. What is the most you make in one evaluation account? With the evaluation account, Green, you have to make 3,000 to pass. That's passing. So hopefully that answers your question. But yeah, let's go. If you're watching, you're ready for this year, type a 1 in the chat. If you're excited, if you're going to be profitable this year, type a 1 in the chat. If you're ready, type a 1 in the chat. Let's freaking get the party started. New year, new stream. We got the vertical and we got the horizontal. We're crushing it, guys. Let's get it. GG's. Let's go. Go, let's go. You know, I'm a bear at heart, and I want to see the markets freaking correct this year. That's just how I feel, okay? But I can't have that as my overall sentiment on trading, that I just believe that things are going to fall short. But 2 green days added on the TX3 Markets. Bullish, let's go. Bullish is a monster, bro. Guys, you got to join the Discord. We've got some great traders in there. Bullish is one of them. Bullish is crushing it, crushing it. I'm the opposite. So I had a 50K eval that I got to $1,500 on Monday or Tuesday. And last night I was studying volume profile indicators because I want to learn how to use, I want to add volume profile indicator to my trading. And last night, guys, I went on tilt and I blew the eval because I was like trying to trade it, and I should have just traded demo. For whatever reason, I was like, 1,500, I can do another 1,500 and we can pass the eval and we can have another funded account. And just like everybody else, okay? I don't want to create this illusion that I'm this perfect, profitable trader when I make mistakes just like you guys, but it's definitely because it's an eval. And that mentality with evals always gets me. I'm so used to eval mentality. So I actually am opening that funded account next week, my own self-funded 3K with Tradevate, and we're going to see what happens this year with that account. But I'm excited to do that. So that expect that next week. And yeah, I just wanted to be transparent. So I opened up a second funded or second eval, and we're down $900, which is no biggie. No biggie. When I was in high school and like buying skin for the memes, but now I'm looking back and thinking I don't even like Fortnite. Yeah. You know what? I've never got into Fortnite. I played a lot of PUBG, and that was about it. It was PUBG and Halo. Oh, and Call of Duty. PUBG, Halo, Call of Duty. Happy New Year, and hope you your day turns green. Thanks, man. Thanks, Green Global. I appreciate that. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's jump into the markets here and just kind of get our pre-game analysis going. So what do we have here? Gold projecting off of all-time highs. I don't really care for looking at the daily, but just so you guys have perspective of what we're looking at. Gold coming back to all-time highs, landing into this demand level. So there may be some opportunity to go long in the broader scheme of things this week. But in the interim, what we're looking for is just looking at the 1 hour. So if we focus on this move here, gold is still making lower lows, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low. Right now rejecting, making a lower high. So we're not looking for a huge move. We're just looking to make, you know, 500 to $1,000 on one contract. Look at that. That's $1,000 right there on that little move. So I'm just trying to give you perspective on why looking at the daily with our setup doesn't really change anything. So we're going to mark off our supply and demand zones. We've got our supply zone right over here. Boom. And then we have a demand zone right over here. Supply, demand. We got one more demand down here. And that's good. And we zoom down to the 5 minute, and it looks like we had a break of structure. Higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower low. Ideally, like amazing area to go short would be right up here in this 5 minute supply. Now, are we going to get back up there? I don't know, to be honest. I don't know if we actually get up there. So I would like to short somewhere, possibly in this 1 hour supply directly. tough to say, but somewhere in here I want a short, but I can't tell exactly where. So we're just gonna let this thing play out and sit on our hands. That's for gold. Gold's still drunk from New Year's and don't know where it wants to go. Yeah. Yeah, it partied a little hard, man. It partied a little too hard. If you're just joining us, it would mean so much if you tap the like button. I'm going to give you guys a reason to tap the like button, okay? Let's give away our first account for the New Year's. How about a 50K TX3 Markets eval? But we got to get 50K 50 likes, 50K likes. So we better tap that like button so that we can get the 50K 50K eval given. Gosh, I can't talk. 50K eval. We got to get 50 likes to get the 50K eval. 50 likes. That's too easy, man. But whatever. Let's just get the bare minimum going. All right, 50 likes equals 50K account giveaway. Sell off now to open gap. Sell off now to open gap. Don't know what that is, brother. Bullish says okay. Bullish won the last 50K eval with TX3 Markets. He passed the account and is trading a live account. He got that account for free. He's about to make money off of an account that he won off of the freaking live stream. How amazing is that? That's awesome. I'm like, better like the stream. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, better like the stream. You think it's going up? As far as gold, I don't know at the moment. I'd like for it to go up. I'd want a short somewhere up here, but we may not get that. We may not get that opportunity. How about we take a look at good old NQ, huh? All right, so let's mark off our supply and demand zones. So immediate supply zone is right here. And then an immediate demand zone on the 1 hour is up here, right there. And then immediate demand zone, or demand zone furthest away, is down there. We zoom in, we're kind of consolidating here. If I were to do anything, I'd probably look to make a short right up here if we get back up there. But that's pretty much all that I'm looking for on NQ. You think it's going up? As a mod, am I still allowed to play? 100%, bro. Why not? Why not? It's unbiased. Yes, for you guys for free, and have 2 green days on it. Locked myself out for the day. Freaking GG's, bro. GG's. Gen X said, please. Eric just liked it. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Gen X said, yes, please, people. Like people. Happy New Year, bro. Your content's awesome. Eric, thank you so much. That means so much. I appreciate you. Appreciate you leaving that here, and Happy New Year to you, bro. The Maddie, good morning. Good morning, bro. I caught the price of gold on top before that huge red candle. I was studying last night and decided to put myself to the test. Boom. There you go, bro. You can study all day long, but if you can't pull the trigger, it means nothing. That means nothing. And for you guys on the horizontal stream, as long as the vertical stream gets 50 likes, I'll do the giveaway. But you're probably at Gen X, you're gonna want to jump over to the vertical if we get to 50 likes, because right now it ain't looking too hot. We only got 10. Ain't looking too good. Do I have to sub to be in the giveaway? No, you don't have to. Ideally would love that, but I want to earn your subscription before I do anything. I'd rather you just want to click the sub button to be a part of the team, but I'm happy to give away to anybody that's not subbed. As a complete beginner, what should I do first? Like read some books or any other suggestions? And that's a loaded question, to be honest, Aikeshi. If I were completely brand new all over again to tell myself what to do, I would open up a demo account with TradingView, which Will, if you could remind me to get my TradingView link, referral link, and then put it into our description so that we can earn something from it if they decide to buy something from TradingView. But Aikeshi, I would say download TradingView completely free, open up a demo account, and, you know, look at gold, because that's what we're looking at. You don't have to trade that going forward, but look at gold and throw some fake money in there. You know, you can open up a demo account, click some buttons, and just explore what it's like to put fake money in the account or fake money in the markets and watch it move. I think that's what I would have done to start before I even messed with any money with real money. Just open up a demo account and start watching the charts, you know. And then also market structure and supply and demand is what I trade. So those are the two things that I would probably tell myself to look over again. But you're about to join a journey that is long, and it is not easy, and it takes self-reflection, and it takes a lot of work. But we all know what the outcome of being profitable in trading is clicking a few buttons and making a lot of money and having freedom. So yeah, do your thing, but welcome to the team. There's a Discord in the description or in my bio on YouTube. You can join. It's completely free, and you can join the community and trade there with us. I'm trying a new indicator today. It's called multi-kernel regression. Interesting. Never heard of that. Bullish. Best indicator is called eyes. Bullish, I heard you talk about eyes before. I'll have to check that out. What's the number one advice you'd give a beginner? Number one advice I'd give a beginner is to know thyself. I know it sounds super wishy-washy, but like to know how you feel about money before you jump into this world. Because I made a long form video yesterday, guys. I'm excited to drop it. It was just me in the car talking. And if I knew how much of an attachment I had to money, I probably wouldn't have jumped into trading so fast. But I wouldn't have learned that until I got into trading, right? So I would highly suggest people who want to get into trading to journal. Like, ask themselves how they feel, even though they're not trading yet. But ask themselves about how they feel about money. Because this whole thing's about money, bro. The candlesticks, the indicators, the prop firms, like everything that we're doing right now is all about the dollar. If it wasn't about money, people wouldn't care, right? Maybe they would. But the driving factor is money. Thanks, man. I'll follow up here with your suggestions. Absolutely. Absolutely, Aikeshi. Appreciate you coming in and sending a comment in there. Dream Garden said hi. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Guys, I said 50. I said 50, but we only got 14. I don't know how well that's going to go over, okay? But it's up to y'all, okay? I'm just here. I gotta do payroll. Dream Garden said hi. What's up? Con, what's the chart? Yeah, we're looking at gold. Stefan said hi. What's up? Info. What's up, man? What's up? Kenjiu XAU 4380 is coming. Nice. What percentage of capital loss do you allow per trade? I don't look at percentage on these prop firm accounts. I usually trade with a stop loss of 250 to $300 trades risk per trade. Look, this 50K account's not really 50K. You're only trading $2,000. And if you were to trade, let's say you only risk 1% of $2,000, you're going to spend so much time. It's not worth it. So my real risk per account is $97 because that's how much these accounts are. And I'm okay blowing that up. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Sorry, guys. Team needs something from me. Avazabek, what's up? Sorry if I butchered your name. You trade with micros or minis? I trade micros mainly. Depending on the volume. Kanji, what? Kanji, you? What? Bro, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. Means a lot. Appreciate it, man. Is that in euro? Because that is cool. I don't think I've ever accepted euro in my life. I feel bad if that's not euro. Appreciate the 99 cents. Or 99 euros. W's in the chat for Kanju. Gosh, I feel bad if I'm butchering that. Hold on. Kanju. Kanju. Sounds like Japanese. Kanju. Okay, top of the hour is about to hit, guys. Let's watch the markets a little bit more intently. Coming down to this 1 hour demand. Okay. Nothing too noteworthy at the moment. I'm going to go down to micros because volume is about to step up. So I'd be looking for longs here in this 1 hour demand. There may be an opportunity for short, a quick scalp short. Off this trend line, to be honest. I was looking to possibly short here down into supply, which I'm gonna do it.
Order filled.
All right, we're gonna take this stab short. I'm just trying to continue, go with the continuation, and super risky trade. Definitely not something I would take on the evals. Evals are sitting pretty at 2,000. Totally fine. blowing this account up because it's just an eval. Ideally, he's gonna want to look to get out here. Just going with the trend. That's all. Nothing crazy. New traders trade mini contracts, stick to micro. Never, yeah, 100%. 100%. Right now, with how big the volume is, you guys stick to micros. We're looking at XAU USD if you're in Forex and GC if you're in futures. I'm waiting for the retest of the support at 43.92. Yeah, that might happen. I'm actually looking to short up here. I might get stopped out on the eval, which again, super high risk. Said it before. It's not a usual like normal setup. Just try the trade with the trend, and this is the eval. So on the 5-minute, this is the 5-minute chart, and the EMAs are getting really close. It might reject and come back up higher, which is highly likely at this point. But I wanted to take the stab short. If we're going to stay in the trade, we'd need to see this 1-minute candle flip, which it didn't. So it looks like we might get stopped out here. Eric in the chat, what's up? What's up? Just take me out of my misery, bro. Take me out of my misery.
Order filled.
All right, we got stopped out there. GG's on that, guys. Super risky trade. I already said super risky trade. Not a usual setup, and not taking it with the evals or with the funded accounts. Longs potentially, yeah, but I'm not gonna FOMO into it right away. If you're looking at the EMAs here, pretty crucial. The EMAs, if this 13 EMA crosses over this 200, very strong bearish continuation. If the 13 EMA rejects and flips higher and bounces off the 200, then we're in long. But with the A+ setups that I look for, any A+ setup needs to happen inside of a 1-hour supply or 1-hour demand. So within these two high box ranges is where I'd be trading the funded accounts. Right now, might be a opportunity to go long in the sense that like price is breaking a trend line, the EMAs might reject, and maybe we can go long, but it's all risky. Like I said, I took it short to just try to follow the trend, the short-term trend, but that was a losing trade. I have lost my money this week. Will you really give away? Yeah, 100%. Everybody that's an OG here, you guys already know what's up. Tell Dream Garden what's up. Hit 50K or 50 likes and we got a giveaway. And I'm sorry you're losing money. You know, definitely part of the game, and it's not fun to lose money. So with that said, there is a free Discord in the description and in the pinned comments. We like to trade together, and whenever we lose money, we're here to support. Whenever we win money, we're here to celebrate. It's just better to do it with the community, right? So it's okay short for sure. You need to have a correct stop though. It looks like you're a bit over leveraged though. Yeah, I mean, to each their own. I understand where I wanted to get stopped out, and also it's just an eval, so I take it a lot more risky. But when I'm definitely on the funded accounts, I'll scale down to 5 contracts and widen the stops a bit more. Conju long. Okay, nice. Let's go. Is the top CJ art a 5-minute? Yes, the top chart in the middle is a 5-minute chart. Did you see what I DM'd you on about the description? Not yet. I have not looked at too many screens. Wolf, too many screens. Oh, snap. No, I have not seen these messages, Wolf. I will need to... The description is not finished. Discord link is one example. Oh, I see. It doesn't give the full Discord link. See, bro, this is why I'm here with you. I won one before, so it is legit. There you go. Boom. Bullish won an account, and he passed, and he's making money. So these are real accounts, and I do give them away. But we got to get that 50K. We have to get to 50 likes. We're at 22. It's not bad. We're almost halfway there. But we got to get the likes a little bit higher. Yes, I'm on the live funded TX3 account. You guys like that stream? Up. Let's get these withdrawals and payouts. GG's. Let's go. All right, guys. Well, nothing too crazy right now. Took that stab. Totally content with that stab short. But like I said earlier, I'm learning volume profile indicator and trying to get a good grasp of it. So let's say we did market open at 4 p.m. my time yesterday. We go to the very top here of this range. The reason why I want to add volume profile indicator is to add just a little bit more confluence in areas where I trade. That's it, just a little bit more. And for instance, I want to short here up in supply and value area high, I believe is what that's called. That's where my supply zone, that's where I would want to go short, is up here. So this would add an extra confluence to that trade, right? Point of control is right here at this red line. So it's not, from what I understand, point of control, lots of volume. That's where price is undecided, a bit more balanced. That's where the most of the volume is. So I'm not going to, ideally with the funded accounts, I'm not going to trade here. I'd rather trade up here or trade down here. This is a 1 hour demand zone. So we'd look to be going long in this area. We'd wait for a break of structure, break of a trend line, and hopefully this volume profile indicator gives us just an added amount of confidence in the trade. I'm not saying that it's a must for me to go short or long there, but just showing you a bit of what I want to add into the trading. And I like volume. I've never really used volume in my trading, but if there was something else I wanted to add to my trading, it would be volume. It would be where orders are sitting, where there's a volume of orders, where there was a lot of buying and selling, and I feel like this is that happy medium for me. So, yeah. Biolieb, sorry if I butchered your name. Have a good year, champ. Thanks, brother. Appreciate you. Same to you, man. Hope you have a great new year. Maybe I'll trade some gold today, though my confidence has been pretty low after I nearly lost my 150K funded. Got $700 left, so I will size down 1 micro at any product. I feel you, bro. I've been there. It's not easy. You know, a lot can be said about the situation that you're in, but just know if you blow it up, it's okay. I want to just say that out loud. Get that pain out of the way. Look, bro, if you blow it up, I know it was money that you may lose. It's okay. Prop firms are made to be this way. They're made to be a gamification. They're made to get you on tilt. They want us to lose because they make money. Now, I'm not being a hypocrite. I do also believe in prop firms. I think prop firms are great because it gives people the opportunity to trade larger funds with smaller amount of capital to get in, right? So I say that with a grain of salt. I want you to understand it's okay if you blow it up, bro. All good. We all blow accounts, and everyone that says that they don't blow it, I don't want to say they're lying. Maybe they aren't, but highly likely that they're still blowing accounts. Why are you learning on a live funded? Why are you learning on a live funded? Oh, I don't know if you're talking to me, profitability, but maybe he's not learning. Maybe he's been trading for a while. How long you've been doing this? I've been trading since 2020. That last year was my first year of like actual profitability. I don't know if you heard me earlier, if you were here in the beginning of the stream. Last year, I spent around 3,100 and some change with evals, and I have about 7,000 in payouts with TopStep. So profitable. Not by much, but profitable, which is great. I spent a lot of time and money studying VWAP, VP, supply and demand, but what made sense to me most was AI Brooks price action. Nice. That's cool. I've never, or I don't know if that's Al Brooks. I'll never heard of Al Brooks. I have to check that out. VWAP is very powerful. I think VWAP is used by large institutions. Volume weighted average price. I used to trade off of VWAP, but I mainly use the 213 EMA. XAU could hit the 4,500 again. 45. Yeah, I mean, ideally, for price to move lower, you know, 4,500 would be right around here, and there's a supply zone up here. And yeah, I mean, I think that price can get to 4,500. I don't know when. You know, that's too far out. That's if you're buying and holding, you know. I'm gonna hear you. I believe shorting Bitcoin for 2026 is a must. Most other coin tokens will rocket over the next 6 months as Bitcoin traders panic after losses. Potentially, yeah. Right now it's coming back up. Oh, hit the supply zone that I drew out a while ago. And then now it's shorting. Bitcoin on the daily, you know, if I were to make any predictions, I think that a retest up to 100 before the next leg lower is possible. About the lowest of lows, can we get into the 70s? Very possible. 100. I think that anything below 70 is fairly unlikely for a very long time, but none of this is financial advice, thankfully. All right, so if at market open, if we get up here, I'll be 100% taking shorts on the funded accounts. Yeah, man, I hear you. I believe shorting Bitcoin, yeah, XAU USD can hit the 4,500 again. Answer that you're learning order flow technically. Gotcha. Yeah, that's an L with an AI. Al Brooks. Yeah, gotcha. I see. I don't understand about the VWAP very well, sir. Yeah, volume weighted average price. It's a strong indicator. I don't know how to explain it, but it's basically kind of what it is. Volume weighted average price. It's the average price based on whatever time frame you're looking at. And a lot of institutions do trade off of VWAP, so it's a good indicator, but I don't, it just didn't work out for my type of trading, so. See, I don't know it too well. I don't know volume weighted or volume profile indicators too well. Like, I just watched 2 videos last night about it that helped me set up the parameters and colors that you see now. But it's like, okay, wait, do I just do the range that I'm trading in on the 5-minute? Or do I need to do market open New York session only? So I'm trying to narrow that down. Like, when do I trade? What range do I apply the volume weighted or the volume profile indicator? I don't like when people say market will do X for sure. Like, bro, market do whatever it'll do. If something was guaranteed, everyone would. 100%. Martin, you're the first person to say this in the chat. The reason why you don't like it is because it's true. No one knows what's going to happen. Everybody is a crystal ball reader if they think price is going to get here, or if they say price is going to be here. So I try to give you my opinion about things, but I am never 100% sure on where things are going to go. Ever. I don't want to be. If I knew where price was going to be, I would be a freaking multi-billionaire at this point. I wouldn't be streaming right now. You know what I mean? So yeah, I totally agree with you. You have to be cautious whenever you talk with people who say, nope, price is going to be here 100%. We're going to be there at this point. Like, very, they haven't lost enough money to accept the fact that they don't know what's happening, truly. And even with all the indicators in the world, you can have 1,000 indicators put up on your screen. All of it is all delayed indication. It's all past tense. None of it's real. The only thing that's in the moment is the candlestick that you're looking at, and maybe order flow if you're looking at order flow. Which can't be go Bitcoin, go. I'm not either or. I think Bitcoin's cool, but I'm a bear. I like to see Bitcoin go down. Make a video on VWAP. I don't understand. Yeah, I mean, maybe I don't use VWAP for myself, so I don't know if I'll do that, but if I feel like it, maybe I will, Marlon. See, that's what I'm saying. You need order flow. You're learning it right now. I don't know what you're saying, but are you saying I'm learning order flow, or are you saying someone else is learning order flow? What chart is this? This is gold. 1 minute down here, 1 minute, and then 5 minute up here. Maybe I just do the range of the supply and demand zones that I'm in. If I do this, so I'm only trading in the zones that I want to trade in. And looking at the volume profile indicator that way. So let's see. That sheds any light. I gotta go. Good luck in your combine. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. We're halfway to the 50K giveaway, guys. We're halfway there. Just need 25 more likes. We're at 25 now. So just need 25 more. Let's look at the poll. Happy New Year. Are we in a correction overall this year? 44% of you say, bro, yes, bulls are gone. So 44% of you believe that we're going to be in a bear market this year. 29% of you say bears are delusional. So you think that we're going to continue higher. And I don't trade. I'm new. 26% of you are new to trading, which is cool. Welcome. Welcome. Like incoming. Let's go, Dixon. The supply and demand on the range. Yeah, I can do a supply and demand video because that's what I trade. So I feel more confident speaking on that. Dixon, appreciate the like, brother. Green Globe Explorations. What is a combine? Combine is basically an evaluation. It's the company, let's say TopStep is the one I'm trading right now. TopStep has a combine where they give you a 50K fake funded account or a demo account where they say, hey, take this 50K account, turn it into $53,000, and then we'll give you a live simulated funded account. Very confusing. And any profits you make off that account, you get to make money off of it, right? Just trying to simplify it for someone that's never been in evals or combines before. Better off trading a 50-50 range. It's like the order flow. Gotcha. Yeah, Bush, you'll have to show me what you're talking about, but I'm trying to say I was looking at volume profile indicator and drawing it across the two demand zones that I'm looking at, supply and then also the demand here, and seeing if that range with the volume profile indicator works. So those were my thoughts. You can tell me what's up with that in the Discord. MK, what's up? Welcome. I'm on the wrong chat because I can see the voting poll. Oh shoot, yeah, Gen-X. If you want to hop over to the short, the other stream, I'm gonna figure out how to combine these two. I will, I promise. But if you want to, Gen-X, if you want to join the stream that's in the shorts version, you're more than welcome to. Sir, also make a video on valid liquidity range. Not something I trade, but I'll look into it. I'm still finding silver coins in country town post offices, $66 each. What is the cheapest one? Been there for years. Yo, that's crazy. If you can find silver coins, that's money right there, bro. Good for you. Don't tell everybody. You better stack up those coins. All you need is 10,000 of those. How do you find 10,000 of those? Sir, also make a video. Oh, answer that. I have to go. See you soon. Good luck. Thanks, man. Andre, I appreciate it. And would mean a lot if I earned a subscription and see you again in the future. Thank you so much. Gen X, hopefully I answered your question. Hopefully I see you in the shorts here. The short live. YouTube short live. 26 likes. We gotta pump up the likes. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Engine X, he made it. Let's go. I have my trade location, but it might be a little bit till it hits it. Nice, Wolf. Yeah, I'm the same boat with you, bro. Yeah, I mean, I want to go short up here in the 44.10 range or area. So we're a long ways away. So we'll see. Range is just a little lower than yours, but pretty much same thought. Gotcha. It's a bit of a move. My only fear is that price does tap this 1 hour supply and drops and doesn't get to the 5-minute supply. So that would be rough, and I would be kind of frustrated. But yeah, I mean, if you're a fair value gap trader, there's a 5-minute fair value gap within that 1 hour, but it's just too much of a range, you know. Like, how are you supposed to enter here and then put your stops up here? I got to trade 1 micro, you know, for it to make sense. Sorry, guys, I got my team messaging me. When trading combines, just gamble, do 5 micros on the market open, LMAO, and hope for the best. Be responsible once it's funded. You know what? I'm not saying that's horrible. If you can risk the $97 or the $49 or whatever your, you know, appetite of risk is, then yeah, I don't think that's too bad. More down, bro. Oh, what do you mean? Price gonna go down? All right, market's open, guys. Market's open. Excuse me. So the overall short that we had earlier, idea would have played out. We just consolidated a bit. Let's take a look at NQ. NQ shorts. NQ shorts right over here. But I like gold better. I'm doing micros, but I'm also thinking it's going to be bearish today. Okay. Strong sell-off on gold. We're at 30 likes. We're only 20 likes away, guys. 20 likes away for the 50K account giveaway. 20. That's nothing for y'all. I'm doing micros. I'm also thinking it's going to be bearish today. Yeah, so far the 1 hour candle, pretty bearish. We're looking at this, you know, breaking all these lows or higher lows or lower high. I always get confused. Higher high, lower high, higher high. So lower highs, breaking all these lower highs. So yes, I want to go short up here. I don't know when that's going to happen, but I want to go short up here. But in the meantime, you know, why go short if we can look for longs is the idea. If we want to go short up here, there might be an opportunity long. We just need to know where that is. So this is XAU USD in your Forex, but if you're futures trader, it's gold. GC. Hey, bro. You know your page is now being pushed as a YouTube feature? William, what does that mean? YouTube feature? I don't know that, man. Williamson saying that my page is now pushed as a YouTube feature. That's sick. That's great if it is. Or is that a good thing or a bad thing? Sorry, William. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Hopefully it's a good thing. All right, guys. We're just chilling. You know, I feel a little FOMO. Like, hey, the markets are moving. But we have our funded account. You know, we got $2,000. We're getting a payout of $800. We did that. We did that as a team, you know. How do you give away the 50K account? It'll be here in the chat. Once we get to the 50K, I'll tell you, or the 50 likes, I'll tell you what to comment. Most people who've been a part of the team know what we're going to comment, but I'd rather wait to get to the 50. I'll tell you all what to comment, and then I'll pull it live using this software, comment picker, and then you'll join the Discord. I'll find you in there, and then we'll get you the likes, or we'll get you the account. TP hit on gold. Let's go at Gen X. Make that money, bro. Make that money. All right, so there's a final 5-minute demand right here within a 1 hour demand that we tapped there. No reason to go long at any point right now. This is just trying to catch a falling knife. So not going to do anything. So value area low is this black line down here. We also have volume, like a, I don't know what they call it, but it's some sort of node, meaning like there's a lot of trading volume here, which makes sense because it's consolidating and there's demand. So possible longs, but it would have to be, I'd need some stronger confluence. This trend line sucks, so I'm not going to trust that. So yeah, we're just chilling. Let's take a look at NQ. Bruh. Didn't I say short in this 5-minute supply? I did, and I didn't take it. Burn. Market's just open. We're only 6 minutes in. It's only 6 minutes in, guys. Let's be patient. I'm talking to myself, to be honest. I'm not talking to you guys. Let's be patient. All right. D. John Boone type hashtag God Kennel, then he does a randomizer. Nice. NQ on a sick one right now. I'm thinking some people blew accounts for the first trading year. Good thing I locked myself out for the day. Smart, bro. Smart. Oh, sorry. Wolf, you're good. It's all good. I was just trying to keep it as a surprise, but It's because you're a part of the team. So hashtag God Candle. But for the new people who are joining, once we get to 50, you know what? Screw it. Type in comment hashtag God Candle. All right, there you go. It's only active if we get to 50 likes, which we're at 32, which is not too bad. I hit enter at the same time as when she said it. Keep it a secret. All good, bro. Demand is where price consolidates. Essentially, yes. That's a yes in a very basic form. Yes, where price consolidates. And then, for instance, right here, price consolidated and then broke higher. So there's some orders that want to be filled here before the next leg higher is the thought of it, which it tapped that 5-minute zone. And now we're even pushing higher, which is great. So yes, in that simple form of what you said, you're correct. Make some money, Shake. I'm thinking you mean Shaq. I'm going to try, bro. I'm going to try. Right now we're down $1,300 on the combine, which is all good. On the eval, we can make some money today, but not gonna feel too pressured about it. Just gonna let it ride. Hashtag God Candle. All right, Dijon Boone. Or sorry, I totally ruined your name. The Jossie Boone. Hashtag God Candle. He put it in early. I like it. On the homepage, you're in the top few channels, videos, and it says YouTube feature. A great thing, in my opinion. Keep up the momentum. William, thank you so much, man. I appreciate that, and thanks for giving me the insight of what's going on my channel. It's been a long time coming. I used to trade live, and there would be crickets. Just crickets. No, sorry. There weren't even any crickets. It would just be me talking to myself. So it means a lot to even have 5 people, Right now we're at 45 people live, so it means so much. So thank you. And William, if you're not part of the Discord community, would love to have you there. Join us in the Discord. It's completely free. Guys, join us in the Discord. It's completely free. Just a place for traders to come in and make money together and lose money together. DeJossie. I love how Americans say my name. Wait, so is it the Jossie? Jossie? Bro, I'm so sorry if I screwed that up again. Are you doing the curls at 50 likes as well? Freaking William. Always gotta freaking frick. Fine. Yes, I will do curls. 25 curls at 22.5 pounds at 50 likes. So there you go. Freaking William. I thought I was gonna get away with it, but stinking. Thank you. Yeah, no worries. Took the gold sell, made $7,267. My mailman, share the love. Can you spread it out to the whole chat? I think you can give everybody $5 in the live right now. I'm just kidding, bro. Congrats. Nice win. DeJossie, I love how Americans get paid, mailman. That's right. Mailman, I don't think mailmen make that much money, bro. DeJossie, I like it. Is that Italiana? You got the DeJossie. I'm just kidding. Okay, guys. All right. Gold's still selling off. Yes, it sucks. I feel a bit of FOMO. But this is part of the game. DeJossie sounds like a fancy perfume for women or like cologne for men. And I could picture like some guy in a suit, chiseled chin, perfect curled over hair, wearing his Rolex, and he goes, kss, kss. He's like, DeJossie. Something like that. We need the remake of the Ricardo meme, like what I sent on the Discord. Dude, I'll add that. I'll make that a thing on OBS, or it's like anytime we have a winning trade, I'll just click on it and it like flashes on the screen. DeJossie can't breathe. It's true though, right? It's true though. DeJossie. Fancy. You fancy, DeJossie. Where are you from? first off, where's everybody from? Because I know we all changed, but Dejasi, where are you from? Where's that name from? Appetite risk management, y'all, or not the market will rip you a new year, a new rear end. It's 2026. Don't let the market get to you already. 100%. That's the truth. That's the truth. Sir, on gold, it's hard for me to find where to put my stop loss. That's a loaded question. Usually the last swing high is a great place to go. But when you trade on the 1 minute, that can vary. It could be the next candle high. It could be this last swing high. Let's say you're shorting here, right? If you're a hyper scalper, which whenever I do scalp, I'll enter in short, and then when the candle flips, I'll enter in short and then put my stop loss above the last 1 minute candle. So like right now, this would be the setup. Obviously not good. We're shorting a low, but just showing you. Really is to each their own. All right, NQ is consolidating pretty hard in this range. It's tapped into the 1 hour demand. Tapped it perfectly. Just perfectly. A Dejasi. It did a Dejasi. Price tapped in this demand and it did a Dejasi. And then now is rejecting higher. It's pretty nice. Not gonna lie, it's pretty nice. Sir, mailman, I lost first day of the week, $500, which was my whole capital. Freak, man. It's all good. It's all good. You'll make it back. Netherlands, bro, that's cool. Netherlands, sweet. Bet it's beautiful out there, bro. Beautiful. I'm from Washington. Okay. Washington State, right? Because I lived in Spokane for like 5 months and left because it was too cold. Spokane, Washington was beautiful though. Use risk management 1 to 5% per trade so you don't blow the account 100%. It Gen X. It's Gen X. He's just copying. You're just saying LOL on the stream. You said LOL on this stream and then LOL over here. Oh man. All right, longs. Long on gold. I'm liking longs on gold. We got a 5 minute demand. I'd want to see this push higher. Excuse me. It's super high risk. This is all just the eval. I'm not trading my funded account. Emmanuel from Nigeria. What's up, Emmanuel? Welcome, Nigeria. So amazing. That is so cool. Welcome to the stream, Emmanuel. I am in long now, risky, 100%. I'm about to do the same. This is a scalp. I might blow this funded account right in front of you guys, or this eval in front of you guys. But I am not trading my funded account.
Order filled.
Man, 10 micros is freaking crazy right now. Green Globe Explorations. Yes. Let's go. Hi, I'm from India. Welcome. India always shows up with love, man. Thank you so much. I was on a phone call yesterday with some friends of mine. They're from India. They own a bunch of hotels. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Hold on. Hey Angel, so sorry, I'm live on YouTube. I don't messaging me. Everything okay? So let's do this for the sake of you guys are just post in there that and put it. Hopefully I get. Yeah, from India. You should Eric right now. You should hear Eric right now. He's saying he just do the opposite from you, man. Has no faith. Wait, what? Eric, what the heck? Eric, you want a battle? You want a rap battle? We can rap battle if you want. Think about seeing if we can take profit here, getting out of the trade, which would be about $830. But right now, 5-minute supply. High probability take profit area for this quick scalp. Let's see if we get there. I want to add into the trade, but right now I'm a little too scatterbrained to do that. Ideally, for longs, this 13 EMA starting to curl up and rejects, so it was like a fake out, would be great, but I don't know if that's going to happen. NQ giving mad emotions. Holy cannoli, bro. What in the world? NQ. This is my first time being in a trading live, and I really wanted to learn trading for a living. I watch your videos every day. I watch trading videos every day on YouTube, but don't have the money for the mentorship. It's all good, man. Join the Discord. I can't say that I'm going to be able to mentor you, but there's some profitable traders in there. And, you know, just join the team and ask questions and be a part of it. And we'd love to have you. NQ giving mad emotion for new traders. Yeah, it's pretty bad, guys. NQ is pretty bad. It consolidated, huge 5-minute candles. Now it's going higher, which is good. You know, it's finally choosing a side. Holy crap. Did you guys just see that on NQ? Yo, what the heck? Did some news drop? All right, guys. NQ, for whatever reason, just ran. All right, my risk is going to stay at the 350 or 300 like I had before. How can you help me, please? Join the Discord, completely free. I'll do my best to do more training on the weekends. We can talk about trading together. Pinoy boss, kumusta? I'm Pinoy. Kumusta? Saan ka sa atin? Eric, 8:45 a.m. EST was PMI news. Wait, what? Hold up. I looked at news. Nah, bro. There was nothing. That's crazy. The fact there was PMI, I didn't even see it. Freaking messed up, man. All right, I'm gonna go to break even. The fact that there was PMI, that's not cool to me. So now I just don't want to be a part of this thing if it flips. Ilo.
Order filled.
That's awesome, man. Never been to Ilo. That sucks. PMI? What the heck? No red folder news talking about that? I'm going to let this kind of play out and maybe add in. I like when people just say like random Bitcoin because then that means something good's happening. Oh, look at that. Bitcoin rallying. Let's go. Tap 90,000 psychological level. NQ pushed. Gosh, NQ breaking hearts right now, man. Honestly. Sri Lanka. That is awesome, man. All right, let's give this one more chance. Long. Again, this is not on my eval, guys. This is just combine. This is just a combine. Idea for the trade, not much, guys. Just in demand, 5-minute demand and 1-hour demand. Break of this, short-term trend line, and looking for it to push high into this 5-minute supply. So not much confluence, very high risk, and I'm okay blowing up $97 for the day. This is more for entertainment purposes only. I feel like because it feels really boring to trade nothing for the day. So maybe I should just trade demo when I want to do something. And I'm thankful that I'm in an opportunity or in a place in life where $97 isn't going to kill me, but I also don't want to go on like a spree of $97. Do 10 of those a week. That's a lot of money, so I'm not going to do that. I've spent 97 one time already this week, 2 times. So it's $200 this week. Wolf, it's a DMM. Don't read it loud, just a question. Oh, copy that. Copy. So I was going to come in heavy on the NQ, not too much on the order flow on the upside. Yeah, man. That's crazy. Strong sell-off. Nasty. Seller's going to come in heavy. Installing Discord. I want to join community boss. Thanks, man. Thank you. And looking forward to see. Oh, we're gonna get stopped out on this, guys. We're gonna get stopped out on this one.
Order filled.
Boom. I got 200 left on this combine. Not guys, I need you guys to understand. This is just eval, and I don't trade this way. I already have the 2 funded accounts, which is why I'm not touching them. So take all of this with a grain of salt. Not something you want to trade like me. I'm being really risky about things. I'm okay losing 97 bucks. I got 800 coming in from TopStep. I'll use that to buy more accounts. So take it all with a grain of salt, and I'm willing to lose money in front of you guys. So I guess psychologically I'm feeling the pressure, like, oh, this guy's losing money, but I would do this if it was by myself, just so you know. So you trade gold boss. Yep. Said hi. What's up? Green globe explorations. Are you in New York? I am not. I'm in Arizona. I'm on the other side, bro. I'm on the other side. Tomorrow will mark 6 years trading for me. Crazy journey I've had. Let's go bullish. That's crazy. I was about the same. 6 years. 2020 is when I jumped in like full time or really serious. So that's crazy, man. It Gen X those. Let's pump those likes. Let's go. You guys need to listen to It Gen X some more. It Gen X know what he's talking about. Okay? He knows what he's talking about. Pump the likes, because y'all want that 50K giveaway. Alright? There's no clear indication for anything for me to go with the funded account, TBH. We have this 1 hour demand. And then we have this 5-minute demand here. So potentially going along on NQ here, but I'm not going to trade the funded accounts. Ain't nothing wrong with demo trading. Rather know my trades play out and hit TP than make some than trade to make money. 100%. 100%. I bet the weather's real nice there. Right now it is, man. It's like 50 degrees. A little cloudy. I gotta hit the road early, guys, too. So I have to go shoot content for a client. But yeah, it's pretty nice. How's it over on your end? Are you out in New York? Wait, are you in Washington? Someone said they're in Washington. Sanjay, told you, bro. What'd you say, Sanjay? I don't remember you saying anything. Oh, you're on the other stream. My bad. I didn't see you. Yeah. So this is probably the nice 1 minute double bottom, but I don't feel comfortable taking it because I might blow the account there. Do we take it on the I feel like this is the thing. It's gonna want to pump up from here, and it's like the last rally higher. Love to see the profits. I secured 1520 on my evals today. Boom. Nice, bro. Nice. Congratulations. We're at 40. We're at 40 likes. We just need 10 more. And I gotta get off soon, yo. I gotta get off soon, bro. Gotta drive an hour and 45 minutes north, bro. Yeah, I'm in Washington. It's very cold here today. Oh, man. Can't imagine. I can't imagine how cold it is. Oh, man. 11 more likes to go. That's it. 11 more. Gosh, I want to take it long. Let's see how this next 5-minute candle closes before else. We're fighting the trend a bit here. Ouch. Short. Continued short. We got one more candle left on this 1 minute time frame, or for the 5-minute candle. So let's see. Yeah, right now it does look like a short on NQ. Selling the news. Definitely looks like a short. You guys are counting down the likes. Dang, gold, bro. Gold breaking hearts right now. Our original short would have been nice, but we didn't get it. We didn't get it. Have you used pro accounts with my funded futures or would recommend the cores? I purchased both before New Year's and want to know which one to take more serious. Shoot, bro, I never used my funded futures. I need to know. I don't know what those accounts are. I'll have to look those up. Sorry, I wish I had more information to speak on it. Hit that like button. Dream Garden 7 more to go. Wolf 6 likes to go. NQ going short. Yeah, let me see what that short looks like now. Yeah, I mean, just a quick scalp down to this 5-minute band is highly probable. The reason why I like longs is because we broke all these highs. 5-minute candle closed higher. So ideally going long in the next 5-minute demand is a play. I'm going to ask my nephew to like. We're pulling all the stops. If you're going to ask your nephew, might as well ask your grandma, grandpa, your kids, your wife. Might as well ask them all. Might as well. Stopped out. New buy around 43.25. Let's go. All right, gold is doing one of those quote-unquote liquidity sweeps, as people like to say. So we shall see what this next 5-minute candle looks like. Trying to keep an eye out on NQ with you bullish. So I'm going to put my alerts there. If this next 5-minute candle rallies higher, I will look for longs. One more time. Amber Alert to likes Jack's stream. That is so funny. It's gonna post on all the highways and byways, you know. That is too funny. 4 likes left. Bro, I gotta put these memory cards in my camera. Because my low-key, I run a social media management company, agency, whatever you want to call it. And like subconsciously, my worst fear is getting to a shoot with no SD cards. Like my camera has no SD cards out. So I get a bit paranoid if I don't put them in right away. So let me do that right now. I can ask me, myself, and I, plus with my 4 channels, freaking Will. Freaking Will. I mean, it would get you there. It would get us there. This is my A7 4 or I. What is IV in Roman numeral numbers? Don't laugh at me. So it's a 5. 5 minus 1 is a 4. Oh, it's a 4. Sony A4. Amber Alert to like. I'm buying gold at the moment. Lauren, nice. Let's go. Or Laurent. Hopefully I said that right. Yeah, I think buys seem pretty interesting. I just want to give it a little bit more room. Four. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Bro, why going in? Oh. It Gen X 2. Come on, It Gen X. It Gen, just make sure I'm right. You're the one that came up with hashtag GodCandle, right? That was you? VI is 6. Yes. I need to... I mean, I don't need to upgrade. I should say I want to upgrade soon on my camera. These things are freaking not cheap. This is my first, like, legit professional camera. Bam! Freaking, who called the short? Bullish. Calling shorts on NQ. Nice, bro. Excuse me. Man. Alright. Clearing out the charts now. Because at this point, we're just pushing lower. This would be longs on gold for me here. NQ, nothing for me to take right now. But shorts, what's his name called it? Bullish called it shorts. We're almost there, guys. 48 likes. Just adjusting my charts. I'm in gold. It's going down. Nice, nice. I'm waiting for gold to come down to 43.26 before looking to buys. You acted off orb. I don't know if you're saying orb just now, but I don't know if that will hold. So looking for that high probability set of at 43.26. 43.26. That's down there. That's down there. My markup is showed the guys. I showed the guys to the T. My strategy shows discipline, risk management, and patience. Nice. Well, this, you called out the shorts. Boom. That the news sold off. So I would flip my bias short. If this candle closes lower, ideally for me would be going short up here now. If I were to take it. Gold almost there. Have you tried the orb? I have not. I have not. I've heard of orb. Opening range break. Gold almost there. Attention. Nice, nice. Watching it now. I went long 43.70. Oof. I feel you. I feel you. It's all good. It's all good. You know, manage that risk. One more like to go. Will's on top of it, bro. Oh, man. Looking to hold all day. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, if you're going to hold all day, then there's opportunity there. Sheesh. Nice. Sweep. Yeah, the 1 hour candle closed equal highs. So, very bearish. All right. Not trading the funded. Oh. Do I see the 50K? Do I see 50 likes? Maybe I don't. I think I'm blind in one eye. And it looks like we only have 42 likes. Actually, low key, I can't even see with this eye. Holy crap. It's pretty bad. This eye, perfectly clear. It only says 40 likes, so we're short. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, we did it. We did it, guys. Everybody, comment hashtag GodCandle to enter in for the giveaway. So please comment hashtag GodCandle, hashtag GodCandle, hashtag GodCandle. Hashtag GodCandle. Wait, I just realized Eric said he was going to go short when you said you were going to go long. Nice. Okay. It's a 50-50 chance someone's going to win. Actually, both can win. It all depends on... I've talked about this before. One person can go short, one person can go long, depending on their stop losses, and this thing can consolidate, and both people can win. Seen that happen before. Hashtag GodCandle, hashtag GodCandle. Put in your hashtag GodCandle. Shri, you're on the other stream, and I'm so sorry I have to figure this out. Could you please go to my YouTube channel and go to the shorts version of the reel and comment hashtag GodCandle there, please, Shri? Because you're on the long form horizontal live, and I need to have you on the shorts or the reel version, the shorts version. Hashtag GodCandle, everybody getting it in. Come on. Gonna let everybody get their hashtag GodCandle in. Hashtag GodCandle, enter in for the 50K TX3 funded account. If we get to 75, maybe I'll give the 25 from Funded Heroes. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Dude, where to put your stop loss at 3,370? I don't know, bro. That's up there. I don't know, man. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't want to answer that question. Is TopStep gonna pay us soon? Can we check that out together? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It still hasn't said fund sent. Hashtag God Candle. All right, everybody's putting it in there. It's only going to be one. Don't worry about it, guys. Don't worry about it. It's only going to be one. You don't have to put it in once. Maybe I should turn that off and just say, whoever you got to enter as many as you can, so that it just spams it. I guess. Nah, that's a bad idea. Let's just do. You only have to say it once. You only have to say it once. I'm giving it till 8:30, guys. I'm giving it till 8:30 to give everybody a chance. Okay, camera's good. Camera good. Drone is good. This is the Mini 3 Pro. I actually have a cracked wing or propeller, and I still fly it that way. And it works perfect. Thanks. I have plenty. All right, I got everything I need. Are you still bullish on gold? Currently I'm waiting to enter in somewhere down here in this 1 hour demand. I won't be taking it on the eval unless there's a break of structure. That can be a while. You should decide where your stop loss is before you open a trade. I agree with that. I know candle. That just sounds like a Control C and Control V nightmare. Listen, it might be good for the stream because it everybody comments as many times as they want, and it might be good for the stream, but I don't want to do that to y'all. We'll do it next time where it's like, hey, comment God Candle as much as you want. You know, that's all the entries that you can get. And maybe we do it for 30 or 1 minute at 8:30. Let's do it. No, wait, no, let's not do that because then you guys are going to start doing it now. So scratch what I just said. Don't listen to what I just said. It's only going to count for one. Forget what I just said. Buying the dips. Nice. Sometimes the dip keeps dipping, so be careful. Dream Garden, hashtag God Candle. Let's go. Look at the shorts, bro. The thing is with this setup or with this play, it's not in my parameters, which really does suck because it's not my setup. It's in a 1 hour supply, right? There is a break of structure. And now, based on my A+, we'd be going short up here. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. That didn't happen for us. So we're at the mercy of the setup not happening, which is why my Express accounts are sitting pretty. Dollar cost averaging, oof, fancy for buying the dip. Yeah, DCA, bro, it's dangerous DCAing, man. It just sucks. I've been there. So it's gonna go higher, and I kept buying, averaging down, and then I can't average down anymore. You know what I mean? People are gonna start posting it when you start streaming. Yeah, bro. Right when the stream starts. Hashtag on candle. Hashtag on candle. Yeah, I won't do that to us. Yes, my little account is minus 48%. They keep dipping. I'm sorry to hear that, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Just be careful. Just be careful. When the dip keeps dipping. You put your hand up on my hip. And you dip, we dip, you dip. Put your hand up on my hip. That song just came to mind. Hashtag got candle. Almost at my gold entry. Nice. Yeah, if I want to be super risky, you know, this 1 hour demand would be entering aggressively, would be just entering long right here. But that's a very aggressive entry. Guys, what a move on gold. I originally was short here this morning. My stops were right here. So not stopped out, but you know, the way it is. It's the way it is. I'm pretty sure some people did take the shorts on NQ. My shorts on NQ. What a move, bro. You called it right up here almost. So 200 ticks. Sheesh. I would suspect longs in this 1 hour demand. I can't say how far, how high they're going to go. But some sort of short retracement high is possible. But I'm going to focus on gold. We are in the 1 hour demand now. Maybe take profit in this 5-minute supply. That would be a 78-point move. Did y'all see? Speaking Chinese to me, bro. Wish I knew what you're talking about, but I don't. Oh, hammer candle. See what you're saying. Never mind. Oh my gosh. Lawrence, you're taking high risk, bro. High risk. Yeah, I mean, I agree with you. I don't think the move, if there is going to be a retracement, I don't think it's going to be anything crazy, and then it could consolidate for the rest of the day. Till the power hour for sure. Never heard of tenacity trading. Not a pretty trend line. It's just literally straight down for the last. Or let's do this. 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes straight down. Did you full port? No, I didn't full port. This is about 4 or 5 trades. I'm trading TopStep, and I have an Express account, 2 Express accounts, and then 1 eval right now with them. Hashtag God Candle. Nice. Get your hashtag God Candle in. We're still giving away a 50K account with TX3 Markets. Man, love your video back in the day for payouts. Oh, awesome. Yeah, man. That was earlier 2025. I got a new payout video that I just dropped 2 days ago. So welcome back. Welcome back. How it feels to be a Bloomberg analyst. Yeah, keep buying the dip. Guys, my forecast for you is that the markets are overreacting with the sell-off, and gold is still a buy rating. So please keep buying the dip, is what they would say. Is final demand, guys. Final demand on 1 hour. Two minutes left. Hashtag God Candle, guys. Hashtag God Candle. All right, let's take this. Let's give this a chance long, huh? I could blow the account right in front of you guys right now. We are in long, aiming for this 5-minute supply. Looking at this 1 minute kind of double bottom into this demand. Very high risk setup, guys. And again, this is just evals, so do not follow me. Do not follow me. It's just evals. TopStep outages. I don't think there's any TopStep outages. I don't have order flow pulled up, bullish. I'll have to grab that in for you. Not a good close on the 1 minute. Might be consolidating here back and forth. Might even drop even lower, but I'm taking the stab on the eval. If it hits me here, I blow the account, pretty much. Not trading the Express accounts today. There's just nothing for me to take the setup on the Express accounts. That's right. Yep, Matrix Trading. That's me. No, I'm in TopStep right now, guys. This is my funded. Let me see if I can place a order here. Yeah, my Express accounts seem fine. Once you make your 20x, okay, yes. I am going to do that this weekend, bro. I'm so sorry. It's really like crazy.
Order filled.
We're tapping the 13 EMA, so there might be a rejection here. But I want to aim for the 5-minute supply. See if we make it there, guys. Your top, yeah, my top 7. Yeah, I was about to say. Lighting up a cigarette. Let's see gold. Lighting up a cigarette in the Netherlands. This is NQ, guys. This is NQ. Take profit is this blue line. I'm just going to let it sit just in case it blows even higher. $33 seconds left. How about we lock in $1,000? Trail to stop. Oh, not that type of cigarette. Oh, my bad. Oh, this is NQ switching back and forth stream in charted gold, wondering why it was different. Oh yeah, this is NQ. My bad. I'm going to keep it tight, guys, because I don't want to have a big drop lower. So I'm going to keep this up tight. Come on.
Order filled.
All right. There you go. Stopped out. Not bad. Probably could have hit TP, but I really wanted to make back some of the losses, which is not emotional, or which is bad emotional trading. But I'm pressured to like get things done. Have to be on the road here in literally 15 minutes, so I needed to get out of the trade. So this might continue higher, and that will suck, but it is what it is. Let's do this giveaway. Let's do this giveaway, y'all. I need to play the Undertaker song, bringing that account back from the dead. Yeah, bro. They call me the comeback kid, bro. That's how I got into trading. They would call me the comeback kid. But all right, last second. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Type in hashtag God Candle. One last shot. One last shot. Type in hashtag God Candle. Everybody got their hashtag God Candle in? Hashtag God Candle. Okay. All right, we're going to do this because I got to get on the road. I got to get on the road. Shoot. Hold on. Sorry, guys. What did he say? Oh, okay. Sweet. Loading comments. Did everybody got it in there, right? Wells Fargo just got his. Oh, it's still coming in. Still coming in, guys. So if you haven't, one last shot. It's only going to count for one. I just want to make sure everybody gets the opportunity to. Freaking NQ, man. Freaking NQ. Is this correct? Yeah, it's still putting it in there. All right, we're good. We're good. There's just evals, bad mindset, brother. That hurts new traders. Clicking reset and buying more sim accounts gives them the mindset that blowing accounts overall over and over is okay. That's the e-prop business. 100%. Yeah, I don't know if you've been a part of the live before, but I've said it before. Prop firms want you to lose money. I've been in the point where I've like stuck to my system, and it would take me a month to pass an account, and I'd rather pass faster, be a little bit more risky on the evals, than take a whole month to pass something. So that's my prerogative, and I don't suggest that for everybody, but I like to make it clear that the setup I'm taking right now is very risky, and it's only on the evals. And then on the express funded accounts, I take something different. So everybody gets to make their own decisions, but that's my mindset around evals, is I try to gamify it, size up a bit more, pass it faster, be okay blowing it up. If your risk allows for it, if your appetite for risk is okay to lose $97, for instance, for TopStep for the week, then okay, do your thing. I don't encourage people losing money that they can't lose, right? But if you can risk $1,000 in evals to pass, then risk it. If you can't, if you shouldn't be buying in evals if you can't take any risk on it. Like if you can't risk $100, like because you need the money for bills, do not do that. Do not trade. Just had to say that out there. I didn't go for sell. I haven't been staring at the charts this morning. I've been back testing for the last 2 days, straight from 7 a.m. to 8 and with zero progress on clarity. All good. Sometimes you have to take a break. Gold's going to run without tapping us and hammer. Might still happen. Ready? Here we go. Continue. TX3 Markets giveaway. 50K eval. Only one wiener. One wiener. One winner. I don't know why I said only one wiener. Only one wiener. Hashtag God handle. Filter by mentions. Confirm. Whoa. Gotta go back. No. I do this where I put a space. Will knows. Put a space in there and I end up ruining it. Load comments. Continue. TX3 50K eval giveaway. Hashtag God handle. No space. Confirm. 72 participants. 72 participants. Are you ready to get your free eval? You ready? Type 1 in the chat if y'all ready. I ain't clicking the button until y'all say type 1 in the chat. Type 1 in the chat. Type 1 in the chat. I gotta see one in the chat. Hammer typed in too. I gotta see one in the chat, guys. I gotta see ones because we're about to give away this account and I gotta hit the road. Come on, let me see those ones. Pounds. Arms are sore. Bullish 0, -1. I forgot the curl is not gonna lie. I remembered you will. Okay, guys, ready? Let's go. Who's he gonna be? Wells Fargo, I'm rooting for you because I used your bank a long time ago. Oliver Belvins. Congratulations, brother. Whew, I'm out of breath. Out of breath. Oliver Belvin, congratulations on your 50K TX3 funded account. Let's go. W's in the chat for Oliver, guys. Oliver, please join the Discord. Send me a direct message so I can get this account to you. Oliver. I'm on your YouTube channel, Oliver, and I don't see an email in there. So I'm going to need you to join the Discord, send me a message, and yes, please. Join the Discord. It's in the description, or maybe it's not. It's in the pinned comments above. Oh, geez, I just burped in the freaking mic. I'm sorry, guys. Whew. Those curls got me. Oliver Belvins. Congratulations, my guy. Welcome to the TX3 family. Let's go. Oliver, that is the Discord right there. Copy and paste that. I know, Wells Fargo. I was rooting for you, bro. You guys are a great bank. Oliver, good job, man. You definitely earned it. Congrats. Once you're in the Discord, I posted a picture of your name. Comment me directly. And freaking Will in the Discord. Oh my god.
No more bad hair days.
Wait. Why are you
every day?
over that ad? Oliver, once you message me directly, what I'm gonna need you to do, I'm going to send you 4 digits, and you're going to type in those 4 digits in the chat to confirm that it is, in fact, Oliver Belvins. So send me a direct message, Oliver. Oliver Belvins. It sounds like a name from Harry Potter. You're like, you were friends with Harry and the crew, and you're Oliver, like, Oliver Belvins. Wingardium Leviosa. Cough, cough, Chase. I'm Chase, bro. I got Chase business account, Chase personal, Chase. Are you talking about Oliver Belvins, the Quidditch champion? Please do not be mad at me for talking in that language or accent. Will, this is something that I can work with you on because, like, I'm going to be late. I have to hit the road literally by 9. Bro, NQ. We would have broke even today, bruh. We probably would have been a little bit of profit if we held. All good. Oliver, what up? Oliver, I'm going to message you just because for time's sake. Oh, wait, no, you messaged me. Never mind. Accept. Sup, bro. Type in 1, 2, 3, 4 in the chat. All right, I told him to type in 1, 2, 3, 4 in the chat. And let's see. Nice, 2026. I tried tricking you guys. Oliver confirmed. Let's go. Just need first and last Name and email, please. Oliver, welcome to the TX3 family. Oh, perfect. He posted in the group chat too, or the Discord. TX3 prop firm. It is in my it is in the description. Please use hashtag ShackMT if you decide to buy an account from TX3 Markets. Yes, I want to go to site. As your boy makes a little bit of commish. Okay, guys, use ShackMT. 1473. Team, this has been fun. Great first stream. I know I lost a little bit on the first few trades. We came back. We're only down $600 for the day. Appreciate you. I love you guys so much. Let's have a great profitable 2026. Join the Discord if you want to continue the party. Usually Will, Eric, they're in the Discord. James, Dylan, Bullish will be in there. Have some great things planned next week that we're going to talk about with growing the stream, growing the community, giving some structure to it. So thank you so much. Make sure you hit the like button if you haven't done so. And if I earned a subscription, a sub button from you means so much to me because I used to do this by myself with nothing going on. So it means a lot. I will have to leave. Sorry it's so abrupt, but I got to be on the road. I'll see you.